Hi everyone, we are Dream to Business. Validate smarter, build faster. What if you could know whether your idea will succeed before spending months or thousands of dollars? Every year, millions of founders start projects that never take off, not because their ideas are bad, but because they can't test demand early enough. Validation today is expensive, slow, and often based on noisy social feedback instead of real data. The result? 90% of startups fail, and 42% of those fails because there was no market need. That's where Dream to Business comes in. Dream to Business is a simple, affordable way to validate startups' ideas fast. Founders upload a 60-second pitch video for as little as $1. They receive structured feedback from verified mentors and angels and can connect with the right people to move their ideas forward. It's fast, credible, and community driven. Just in Europe, 3.4 million new businesses are created every year. Of those, over 2 million already use social media to test ideas. If we reach just 3% of that early founder segment, that's over 60,000 potential users for Dream to Business, validating smarter, faster, and cheaper than ever before. So, the market is big, but more importantly, it's ready. Here's how Dream to Business captures value from that opportunity. Our model is multiple layered but simple. Dreamers pay a small fee to validate their ideas. Titans are our community members who provide structured feedback, and we will take a small fee from their voluntary donations. Mentors are experts. We will take a fee from their coaching sessions offered to dreamers and for that visibility. Mentors are experts, and we will take a fee from their coaching sessions offered to dreamers and for visibility. And angels and accelerators gain access to a scouting dashboard through a monthly subscription. This creates a self sustaining ecosystem where everyone wins. And this isn't just an idea, it's a business that grows with every user. Over the next 3 years, we will move from validation to scalable revenue and community impact. We will start small, proving willingness to pay. In our MVP year, we target 300 dreamers and 50 mentors, generating around 14,000 in revenue. Then we scale, adding coaching and angel services, and by 2027, growing towards over 400,000 in annual revenue with a fully built ecosystem. Now, let's look at how Dream to Business actually works. It's simple. Founders upload a 60 seconds idea video. Our AI gives instant validation insights. And then mentors and the community provide real feedback. In just a few minutes, dreamers can test their ideas before spending months building something no one wants. So let's take a look of the platform.
Hello everyone, are you ready to see everything that you built in the last 48 hours for SheBuilds? Welcome to Dream to Business. So, I'm a dreamer and I want to validate my idea. First of all, I click here in this button. I already have an account, but you can just sign up with a new one. Everything is working. When I log in, I see this beautiful dashboard where I can see all the comments and feedback from my previous idea, but let's create a new one. When I click on new idea, I have this form where I can submit a quick video, an idea title, and a short description. This is FutureVox, your future self. Let's see how Airora understands it. Now you can see the Airora's validation talks about AI compliance and talk about how the business insight, approach, benefits, and competition are NABC. We think it's a very good potential indicator. So let's ask for it to the moderators to validate. So for now, So now this idea is going to be on our social media and also on our platform. Let's see how it is. In here we can see the paper of boosters, types, codes, and angels. Boosters can come here and talk about the idea and give comments and likes. The Titans can give us some real feedback, structured ones using non-test and our generate survey questions. The questions are generated by AI and they also can earn XP. Let's see how it goes. Now I'm the Titan of this idea and we're gonna validate how I as a community, as a person that will use this, understand the market fit, understand the business value of it. This was AI generated validation questions. Check it out. Everything is directed to the idea that is pitched on this video. Coming soon, we're gonna have the donation part. When I submit it, I can go back to my paper as dreamer and see my published ideas now. You can see that Futuravox has one like, one comment, one title. When I come here, I can see the AI validation, the Titan feedback, and also the comments. And this will help me to understand my idea better and to make evaluation if I should pursue it and make it real. And this is our idea for SheBuilds. D2B was built in 48 hours for our hackathon, and I hope you really like the idea. Follow us D2B ideas so you can learn more. We plan to make it real. Let's make it big. Thank you.
Now, the real question is, how do we get our first users? To kickstart traction, we will partner with startups hubs, reaching around 2,000 early founders. We will run a short test your idea for free campaign and join startup events to onboard our first dreamers. By rewarding the first 300 validated ideas, we will build early credibility and growth in an organic way. Idea validation isn't new, but AI tools like human insights, validation services are expensive, and community platforms aren't structured for actionable feedback. None combine speed, affordability, mentorship, and data in one place. We make validation accessible to anyone, fast and affordable. Our unique human plus AI feedback loop gives founders insights they can actually act on. And our intelligent matchmaking connects founders, mentors, and even early angels through shared goals. As every validated idea gets visibility, new dreamers join, creating a self growing, sustainable ecosystem. And behind Dream to Business is a team that bridges business, tech, and AI driven by one mission to help dreamers to get enough insights to turn ideas into reality. We believe everyone deserves the chance to see if their idea can work. So we will leave you with just one question. Do you dare to dream?